In this video, we're going to see how to connect Zoho Mail to Shopify. Firstly, go to the Zoho Mail admin console. In Zoho, go to the Domains section. It will provide the TXT or CNAME record to add your Shopify domain settings. This record will verify that you have administrative access to the domain. Go to your Shopify admin panel, online store, then domains. Add the TXT or CNAME record provided by Zoho in the DNS settings. And once added, go back to Zoho and click Verify to confirm the domain ownership. Now from your Shopify admin, navigate to Settings, Domains. Select your primary domain. Add the required DNS records for Zoho Mail, like MX records, SPF, DKIM, DMIRC records. Zoho will provide the necessary MX record and other DNS settings. After entering them, save the changes. Now go to the DNS settings on your Shopify domain. Zoho provides a set of MX records. You'll need to add each one, replacing any existing email records if applicable, and allow up to 48 hours for DNS propagation, but email services should start functioning once the changes are applied.